So today we are talking about key signatures, but one thing that is very important is tonic sulfur. So tonic sulfur is just something you might have probably heard before. It's do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Yeah, some syllables like that we use them in sounding musical notes, so to say, and they're standard. So these are what we have. We can try to sing them the normal way, like do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. That's going up, and you can also come down. Do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Okay, so the next question to ask is either we are moving up or we are coming down. How can we measure how far we are going? Like do, re, moving up and up again. How far did we go? So just like we use meters, kilometers, centimeters, like that to measure length, we also do that when singing in music. So for example, you are moving from your house down to the bus stop. You can say, for example, that you have walked 200 meters or 50 meters or whatever you want to call it. So the same way, I can sound a note. Maybe I'm here. Ah, then I move up. Ah, and I come down again. Ah, and more down. Ah, you see. So the question is, how far up did I go? How far down did I go? Or how far down did I go? And this is why we use this unit called semitones. Semitone. So a semitone is the smallest unit of measurement. It's like our centimeter or our meter when we are measuring length. So we use semitones to measure the distance between the pitch of notes. And so now we can talk about the distance between, the letters we have before A, B, C, D, E, F, G that we use in the musical notes. So see here. So these squares are representing like jumping from one square to the second square is like representing a semitone. So for example, from C, if I am at C, if I move 2 semitones, I go 1, 2. That means I get, with 2 semitones, I'm going to get to D. So look at E now. If I move only 1 semitone, then I get to F. So that's why I give you in the write-up that you can see that between A and B, there are 2 semitones, because if I am at A, I drop 1, 2, I get to B. That means between A and B, there are 2 semitones or 1 full tone, because 2 semitones equals 1 tone. And you can see that between B and C is just 1 semitone, because I just have to jump once. B and C is 1 semitone, E and F is 1 semitone, and between all the others, there are always 2 semitones. So if you can just remember E and F, B and C, those are where the semitones are. Then between all the others, there are 2 semitones, that is a full tone. Now, so for some quick exercise, we want to see the distance between A and C. A to C. So if you are at A and we're going to land in C, how many semitones are we covering? By how many semitones is C far away from A? So this is A, 1, 2, 3. That's 3 semitones. And then from C to G, let's start with this C. C all through to G. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 of them. And then from F to D, from F all the way down to D, let's count. We are at F. Then we jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 semitones. So this is how we count how we measure the distances between the music letters. So in the same way, we also have it for the tonic sulfur. So between mi and fa, there's a semitone. Between ti and do, there's a semitone. Between all the others, there are 2 semitones. So just the same way, if I say, what is the distance between do and mi? That is, if I am at do, how many semitones do I have to move to get to mi? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I move 4 semitones from do, I land at mi. So let me see. Question. if I am at me and I want to move 3 semitones forward, 3 semitones forward. So let me jump 3 semitones. From me, I jump 1, I get here, 2, I get here, 3. So 3 semitones from me gets me to saw. So this is how this is how we just move with these distances between letters and turning surface. So let's see. So from saw now, let me jump 3 semitones again. I want to jump 3 semitones from saw. So I am at saw now. I jump 3. 1, 2, 3. What is this? Where did I land? I landed on an empty space. So what am I going to call this? We will talk about this in the continuation of this class. See you then. Bye.